Hello and welcome back. In this lecture I will show some simple data manipulation using Numpy and Pandas libraries that we installed in the previous lecture. I will use the products.csv file that you are familiar with in Jupyter Notebook. In summary, the %matplotlib inline statement you see here is used to set up matplotlib for inline plotting in a Jupyter Notebook. This is a convenient way to visualize data and plots directly within the notebook interface, making it easier to explore and analyze data interactively. And by importing Numpy and Pandas libraries, as you can see in these two import statements. And by using the aliases np and pd, we make it easier to reference these libraries in our code. For example, I can use np.array to create a Numpy array and pd.dataframe to create a Pandas data frame. For now, I will import the products.csv file and use simple commands to learn more about this file. Let's assume that you downloaded a large file and want to gain some insights into this file. If you want to find out how many rows and columns in the file, then you type in this command, df.shape, which will display the total number of rows and columns. And if you want to know how many cells in the file, you type in the command df.size, which will display the total number of cells. If you want to know how many cells in the file without using the df.size command, then all you have to do is multiply the number of rows by the number of columns, which will display the same number of unique cells in the file. The command df.columns will display all columns names or the file header. How about extracting a certain column? You might ask. Well, you can do that by issuing the following command, df column name between square brackets, and you have to put the column name between single or double quotes. For example, if I want to extract the review column, I type this df open square bracket single quote review, then another single quote followed by closing square bracket. Also, you can come up with a question like, what is the value of row number 10 in the review column? The following command will deliver the best answer to this question. df open square bracket open single type in review close the single quote. Then open a square bracket type in 10 and finally close the square bracket. We should get the word pos for positive displayed.